Welcome guys, I'm Jish, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be getting on with the XJ650. Right, now today's video is kind of going to be a mashup video, just because we've got so much to try and get done. We're going to finish off the wiring. We've only got the rear part of the bike to go now. We're also going to look at the rear acrylic tail light. Who knows how it's going to go, but we're going to have a go. Before we start this video, only a small percentage of you are subscribed to this channel. I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe, and you can also unsubscribe later if you want to. But anyway, we're getting on with this today. We're gonna go and sort all this bit of mess here. There's still a whole heap to go on in this area. All up to here is done. So I'm so over this wiring. I just want to get it all finished and sorted out. But I want to make videos for you guys, showing the journey, showing everything that I'm doing, almost in like a vlog style. So let's just carry on, get this done, and we can then move on to the acrylic tail light piece. Right, so we have sorted the wiring out as far as we can go now. I've run out of tape, and there's a few little things on here and there just to finish it off. I would say we are 95% through this wiring, so close. So you can see the wiring is nice and neat all the way down here until we get to this bit where, you know, it's not messy, but we need to wrap it up. I've tried to organise it, I've moved some things around just so it fits a bit better. Things need to be properly mounted and secured down, but I mean for now, everything has its place, everything is going in where it needs to go. All these here going to the back, this is all for the indicators and the rear tail light. And all this here will be sorted at the very end when we've got the right lengths and everything nice and neat. So with this tail light, I'm probably going to be doing a second version, but for now, I'm gonna just go with what we've got. The reason being is because this way it's probably not gonna be the most watertight, and I could probably do a revision and make things a bit better in general, but for now we've got the pieces, we're gonna weld them together and make this one solid piece, and then we'll figure out how we're gonna mount the light behind it and most likely 3D print something. And yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing this back on the bike. And people wonder why my videos take so long. So I just started the acrylic tail light and I'd got the glue out, opened it up. Empty. I mean, I hadn't even used it. Yeah, the struggle. So bye-bye glue. Bye-bye roll of used electrical tape. And hello, nice shiny new rolls. Yeah, that is the basics of what it can do. It can do so much more, but we're not going to go into that today. We'll save that for another day. The glue has finally come, so we can get started on that tail light piece. So I'm gonna leave it there, let the glue dry, just because it's so hot in here still. In the next episode, we're gonna carry on with the tail light, work out where we're gonna put the indicators, and even get some light shining through it. Yeah, it's far from done. We are nearly there, guys. We are so close. It is literally down to the cosmetics and the tiny few things we need to do to get this bike on the road. So, thank you very much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.